Can HostGator replace Shopify? Technically, you can build an online store using HostGator, but calling it direct Shopify replacement would be misleading. Here's why. HostGator gives you the hosting infrastructure, right? You can build a store using WordPress and WooCommerce, install your own themes and plugins, configure payments, and customize the entire experience. That's a major advantage if you want control. Where it gets complicated is that Shopify is built specifically around e-commerce. With HostGator and WooCommerce, you're putting together your own e-commerce stack. That means you're responsible for more of the setup, plugins, updates, security, payment configuration, performance, compatibility, and backups. You get more flexibility, but also more responsibility. So think of it this way, right? Shopify sells you an e-commerce platform. HostGator gives you a hosting that you can use to build an e-commerce website. Those aren't exactly the same thing, right? So HostGator makes more sense if you already like WordPress, want more control over your store, or don't mind managing the technical side. Shopify makes more sense if you want an e-commerce platform that's more integrated and streamlined. So HostGator can absolutely be part of Shopify alternative setup, but don't expect the same plug-and-play experience. You're essentially trading convenience for flexibility. And for some store owners, that's a very good trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share your opinion down in the comments.